Hi friends, welcome back again to Supplement tutorial. In our lesson today, we are simplifying this question we have here on the board. A sphere has a radius of 3 cm. Find that in terms of pi its volume. So the first thing we do is to write the formula for the volume of a sphere. And the formula for the volume of a sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. This is the formula we use to solve the volume of a sphere all the time. That means the volume will have to be, let's substitute 3 for r in this formula. And remember, we are solving in terms of pi, so you are not substituting 22 over 7 for pi in the equation. So we have 4 over 3 times pi times 3 raised to power 3. Now this 3 will take away one of the 3 here, so I have 3 power 2 remaining. So what do we have? 3 power 2 is 9. 9 times 4 is 36. So the volume will have to be 36 pi centimeter cube. And this becomes the solution. Thank you so much for paying attention. Please like this video, share to your friends, and follow for more interesting tutorials. Bye.